airport, airport. International airport, international airport. Airline, airline. Pilot, pilot. Captain, captain. First officer, first officer. Flight attendant, flight attendant. Cabin crew, cabin crew. Passenger, passenger. Seat, seat. Aisle, aisle. Seat number, seat number. Aisle seat, aisle seat. Window seat, window seat. Emergency guide, emergency guide. Seat belt, seat belt. Seat belt sign, seat belt sign. Check-in desk, check-in desk. Boarding pass, boarding pass. Departure, departure. Arrivals, arrivals. Domestic terminal, domestic terminal. International terminal, international terminal. Gate, gate. Security check, security check. Baggage reclaim, baggage reclaim. Currency exchange counter, currency exchange counter. Departure lounge, departure lounge. Duty-free shop, duty-free shop. Arrivals board, arrivals board. Departures board, departures board. Passport control, passport control. Customs control, customs control. First class, first class. Business class, business class. Premium class, premium class. Economy class, economy class. Baggage, baggage. Check-in baggage, check-in baggage. Carry-on baggage, carry-on baggage. Identification card, identification card. Passport, passport. Visa, visa. One-way ticket, one-way ticket. Return ticket, return ticket. Delayed, delayed. Cancelled, cancelled. Let's take a look at some useful phrases that you can use at the airport information desk. I would like to know what time my flight leaves. I would like to know what time my flight leaves. My flight number is. My flight number is. Do you know why my flight is delayed? Do you know why my flight is delayed? Until when is my flight delayed? Until when is my flight delayed? What time does the flight from London arrive? What time does the flight from London arrive? What time is the next flight to Hanoi? What time is the next flight to Hanoi? I have missed my flight. Could you help me, please? I have missed my flight. Could you help me, please? I would like a one-way ticket to Hanoi. I would like a one-way ticket to Hanoi. I would like a return ticket to London. I would like a return ticket to London. Can I have a seat closest to the emergency exit? Can I have a seat closest to the emergency exit? May I have an aisle seat? May I have an aisle seat? Where can I change my money? Where can I change my money? Where is the Vietnam Airlines check-in desk? Where is the Vietnam Airlines check-in desk? Now for some useful phrases that you can use at a check-in desk. What number is my boarding gate? What number is my boarding gate? What time does my boarding gate open? What time does my boarding gate open? How many pieces of hand luggage am I allowed? How many pieces of hand luggage am I allowed? What is the baggage allowance for this flight? What is the baggage allowance for this flight? What time are we boarding? What time are we boarding? Now for some useful phrases you can use when you're on the plane. Can I have a pillow? Can I have a pillow? Can I have a blanket? Can I have a blanket? Could I have some tea? Could I have some tea? Could I have some extra napkins? Could I have some extra napkins? May I please have a glass of water? May I please have a glass of water? Good luck with your next flight.